Hi there, Peter again with another video on the Phits Design Wizard. In this video, I will discuss the general corrections and the local stiffness. So the general corrections start with the stiffness direction, which is a suggested design parameter, as you can see on the blue title, and it's actually a unique 3D printing feature as it will affect the mechanical properties of the printed base. So basically it goes from plus 30 degrees to minus 30 degrees, and in my case it's suggested as plus 3 and minus 4. So these positive degrees mean that it will restrict the amount of pronation, so there will be a directional stiffness towards the medial forefoot, so restricting the pronation movement through the roll-off. If I bring the values down to negative degrees, you will see that the lines point outwards, and the stiffness will be along these lines, restricting the supination. Usually, you can just follow the suggested settings, as it is calculated based on the average roll-off. Next, we can find the navicular support, and this one ranges from extremely flat to extremely high. So we have 7 different settings, and again, a really good suggestion based on the amount of midfoot contact in a dynamic setting. One thing to keep in mind is that the extremely high setting might be a little bit too much for some patients, so in general we say less is more, don't overcorrect with these settings. On the next panel you can find the local stiffness. This is also a unique 3D printing feature, as we can change the stiffness for the different zones you can see here. The stiffness goes from 1 being the most flexible up to 5, which is the stiffest. This design parameter is also suggested by the software based on the dynamic measurement and related to the patient's weight. You can really change the stiffness of every zone to your liking, but we wouldn't really recommend the maximum stiffness under the medial arch. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one where I'll discuss the heel corrections of the Phits Design Wizard. Bye!